Hello and welcome back. To get started, I would like us to start with a high-level overview of plant maintenance, also referred to as Enterprise Asset Management or EAM. Plant maintenance is one of the logistics module of SAP that automates the maintenance process. It is a system or platform that helps in the recording of equipment breakdown, planning and scheduling work, and eventual recording of these activities to help in equipment reliability analytics. The plant maintenance module maintains the location of equipment with its history, including the cost of maintenance in terms of labor and parts. This information is critical in resource planning and risk management. And finally, plant maintenance is fully integrated with other SAP modules such as materials management, FICO, quality management, and production planning, among others, all giving us an integrated and comprehensive solution for plant maintenance and reliability management. So, what are the benefits of SAP plant maintenance? The first benefit is that it enables organizations to streamline their maintenance processes, reducing maintenance time and cost and improving overall equipment effectiveness. The second benefit is that it enables organizations to reduce equipment downtime by providing preventive maintenance schedules and real-time monitoring of equipment performance. The other benefit is that it helps organizations optimize their maintenance budget by providing real-time visibility into maintenance costs, enabling them to make informed decisions and reduce unnecessary expenses. And finally, like we mentioned earlier, SAP Plant Maintenance integrates seamlessly with other modules in SAP such as FICO, QM, and PP, and provides a comprehensive solution for managing maintenance operations. So this course is divided into 8 modules. We're going to start with understanding what PM, EAM, SAP, S4HANA Asset Management is all about. Then we're going to move on to Module 2, which is Overview of Business Processes. We shall then look at organizational structure, then move on to generic functions, technical systems. Module 6 is about maintenance processing, and that's around the work order cycle. Module 7, we're going to be looking at maintenance processes. And Module 8, we spent some time working with Fiori apps. And what you have here is the structure of the course. We have slides with narration. Then we'll have real-time demos on an SAP system, similar to what I'm showing here. Doing a lot of work in our SAP sandbox. Then we have a link to related videos within our channel. And these are the videos I'm going to be linking to. Any topic that we're covering, we shall link to some of the videos that are related. And then finally, we'll have ability to purchase an SAP sandbox, and that comes at a cost. So that is the structure of this training, and looking forward to see you in the next video.